Hey guys, what's up? It's a beautiful Tuesday morning here. I'm working on the Mooney annual inspection, hoping to finish that up. So I thought, you know what, you fly to work. I'll take you along this morning here. I'll show you the startup, the hand start on the A65, and do a little bit of flying footage on the way after I land, kind of going into the shop. Show you a little bit of the Mooney as well. Right now, it's really important to watch your form. Make sure you do not get too comfortable or too sloppy, because when you get out of breath, because you've tried to swing it multiple times in a minute, take a second, recalibrate, keep your form. Super important. definitely a little interesting with the haze going on. I don't know if you could tell there in the video, but the haze and smoke, whatever the heck's out there right now, was working its way inside the cabin, which is why I made that landing back there. Just wanted to check things out, make sure I wasn't seeing any actual smoke on the ground. All right, we'll go inside the hangar here and check it out, show you what's up with the Mooney. So we've got a M20J Mooney here. We're finishing up the annual inspection on. All right, turn on the lights here just for a second. So this is a Lycoming IO fuel injected 360. It's 200 horsepower. It's got the power flow systems exhaust on it. Pretty nice. It's about a 200 horse. So basically looking to wrap this up today, start closing things up, put the interior back in. And that's pretty much it from the trip from my house to the hangar. If you have any questions about the Cub or any suggestions, whatever, anything in the video, definitely drop those below in the comments. Until next time, be safe, be blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Later.